guys, it's Darian Ellis here with 713 News. We are at the beautiful Houston Botanic Garden, ready to explore radiant energy. Let's check it out.
So we're here at the Houston Botanic Garden for Radiant Nature. It's our annual winter light show. It is a Chinese lantern festival. It runs all the way through the traditional Western holidays in through the Lunar New Year. So we're open primarily weekends between now and February 23rd. There are more than 50 of these large-scale lantern installations, kind of put into a few different zones. As you can see behind me with the fuchsia tunnel, we have a large section that celebrates nature, all kinds of plants.
Oh my God, you guys, there was no way that we were passing up these beautiful roses. I can't encourage you to come and check this out for yourself enough. I mean, look behind me. This is even better in person. Trust me, it's beautiful, larger than life installations.
There's also an Asian culture section. We have a lot of pandas this year with bamboo.
Another great feature of this exhibit is there is a wonderful zodiac feature where you can look, and by the birth year, you can see exactly which one you are. Now, we had to stop by the snake. Okay, that's mine. She's rich in wisdom and charm, a romantic, a great speaker, and a deep thinker. Sounds like me.